You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is b smaller than negative 60. Let's solve it step by step. Cancel out the negatives. Swap sides. Isolate the b. Multiply both sides by 25. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is b smaller than negative 60.